leaders like Mr. Modi have done what Virat Kohli has done to cricket. He's made elections more competitive. You can't now fight elections coming 1 or 2 months before the election. Mr. Modi and Amit Shah have changed the rules of the game. Like Kohli has made it clear, you have to be super fit to play for India. Now you have to be super fit to defeat Modi. He's also made the means less important. Only thing that matters the end. Chunav jeetna hai. Then Sam, Dam, Danda, Bhed. Kuch bhi karna hai, chunav jeetna hai. And that's why I think the book is important to understand the context from the years which they came up in Gujarat, Modi and Shah. They rose from municipal elections, weaning away independents, taking away defectors from parties, breaking parties, playing Hindutva politics, playing Hindu against Muslim. That's where they come from. Nothing should surprise you. On the other side, you cannot disagree with the fact that Amit Shah and Narendra Modi together have built this machine where you have thousands of WhatsApp groups, where you have out of 10 lakh booths, 9.5 lakh booth committees with 20 to 25 BJP workers completely committed to the task of spreading the message. He took a risk, and he is a consummate risk taker. I mean, that is the appetite for each the Gujarati businessman appetite. And he's a political entrepreneur almost. Particularly Shah, even more than Modi. I've always believed Modi wants the Nobel Prize. Shah wants to win the next election. Maybe Indira Gandhi did the same. But I think India was a less, I don't think she had the technology available. I'm sure she would have done all this. If there is one person whose playbook Modi has borrowed, it is Indira Gandhi. Modi is no Vajpayee Bhakt. He's an Indira Gandhi Bhakt. That's his role model. Kuch bhi karna hai, chunav jeetna hai. Finish the opposition, decimate them. And it's the story about how Rahul Gandhi messed up in Goa. You will have to read the book for the story, but it's there could have easily been a Congress Vijay Sardesai government. I don't know what happened that night in Goa. And what changed between my midnight conversation with him and 7 in the morning. But one of the reasons was Rahul Gandhi moved slow. Mr. Modi is falling into the same trap. He's disconnecting himself at one level from the people. Some of the other key members of this government are mainly Rajya Sabha. The BJP is committing the same mistakes that the Congress did. People in top positions should be experts. Indians must look, Harold Wilson once said in Britain that a week is a long time in politics. In India, 12 hours is enough. It was enough for Devendra Fadnavis to be sworn in, for him to be removed. I don't know what Vijay Sardesai will do tomorrow. I don't know what my friend Girish Chodankar will do tomorrow. You never know in Goa.